said, ask and you will receive whatever you need. You said, pray and I'll hear from heaven, and I'll heal your land. You said,
king said, then he let the servant go free. Aside from absuelto niya ang utang, he set the servant free. The servant is free. Waray na yan dapat hunaw na. He was even thinking of paying back the king. But the king was so merciful that he set the servant free. How do you like the story? Advantageous. So as the servant was and outside, kapihan na was, can you imagine the servant, nakautang niya millions na to had king? Most probably, nagkautang niya millions, sa damo niya warta. And he was able to lend also. Now I was reading between the lines. The servant who owed millions of pesos, parang may nagipiyat siya sa makapautang. Which in the parable was saying na nakapautang niya. And he met the person na yung pautanan. Nahalundum niya. Uy, parang utang ka. Kinahanglan mo na maulita. At the same time, at the same situation, sinbiringan niya sangkay. Pare, sorry. Waray akong kwarta yan. Hirap makakabayan niya. That servant, ano niya yan? You have to pay me back. You owe me. Utang ka akong, paidan mo ini. Hindi rin mo paidan, ipapapriso tayo ka. And that person, nagpakaloya yan. Come on, pray. Basta iluwagan ako, hindi ba rin yan? Mabayad mo na kayo mo pagkabayanan ako. Pagmaydan ako, ha? Pasaylo wala ako yan, ha? I beg you. And that person maybe kneel down and beg. Tagaan yan, talugin your chance.
I don't care if they suffer so much. But I have to be good. They're very young. I know it was the decision of the enemy when I cover up the light. But they're very young. Sitting there free. They will know that our God is merciful. He forgives and so glad. Those who have still to forgive now. You can ask the Lord to help you forgive.